Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this 15 by 56 high power monocular telescope, which is waterproof and fog proof, and is supposed to be really optimal for like bird watching, hunting, hiking, traveling, camping, and for many things. And what's really good thing is of course that it's Ipx7 waterproof, and it even works for eyeglass wearer, or is eyeglass wearer friendly, and it has this precision focus knob and a really clear sharp image. Of course it doesn't have like a phone mount or something like that. It's probably not perfect if you want to take recordings with your phone or so, but other than that it seems to be a really good choice. So let's take it out of the box and see if it really works. So we get the main device and some cleaning towel and also some carry strap here, and the whole thing comes in a nice carry bag, even with this belt clip here and with this shoulder strap, very convenient. And so here we have it nicely protected inside. So let's take it out. It definitely has some weight. It's not just like a cheap plastic toy, I can tell you. And in front it comes also with a nice protection. We can see very nice clear lens here at the front, and down here we have a standard 1/4-inch tripod mount. This is also something which can be very helpful, and here we have the focus knob which you can use to adjust, and also some protection here in the back. And so we can put this strap here on the side so we can nicely secure it. If you're having problems, I can tell you it's definitely not too difficult. Let's say with a screwdriver, put it somewhere like this and then insert it and push it to the other side, and we have it already. By the way, this is my first attempt, so it's really very easy to do that. And then we secure it here, and so we have it now nice and safe, and we can't lose that. It would be a shame if you would drop this really nice monocular. And so I've been using this monocular for a little bit and it worked really great. It looks like there are really good quality lenses here inside. You can also feel that it is good quality when you move the lens, when you adjust the focus here. We have this spacer here, or distancer, or I don't know how to call this thing, and this really works to give a little bit of extra distance. It didn't work for me like with the glasses or so, but the good thing is there is a lot of correction possible here, so I didn't need the glasses. I removed the glasses and I was using it just like that with my normal eyes here and corrected the focus, and it was absolutely perfect, even though I have to use glasses for distance. And it also worked for my phone to take some pictures and videos, and it worked even better than with these simple phone holders which you get sometimes. What I recommend, to have it not totally closed, just open the distance a little bit here and then you can use the phone. You can even use the phone with zooming. That's also really nice. If you want to go even a little bit closer than 15x, you can use also the zooming from the phone, and it will also use a little bit the stabilizer from the phone. Unfortunately my phone doesn't have a really good stabilizer, but everything works really good. The quality of the image is really decent, I would say, for this class. There is clear focus from left to right, from top to down. The whole area is really nicely focused. Of course there's only a 4.7 degrees field of view, which is of course not top notch, but other than that everything really good, solid build, nothing to complain. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.